So I am removing only because we want to run all tests and make it successful. So our 3 tests is successful. Let's see, yeah, 3 tests passed, but things are scattered. Uh, this is a small project, so no problem will take place. But if it is a large project, large scalable project, then it will be a big problem or trouble because we cannot make group things together. So we need some sort of some measures. That's why we can group things together, and that is describe block. So let's have a definition or something in the draw.io. So what is describe block? So we want to make our things group together. So under on describe block we can run several tests, or we can run tests like that way. So we're running this approach right now. Excuse me. So keep these things grouped together and make it inside on describe block to make it a manageable or readable or user friendly way. So give it a name of describe. So give it a definition app component testing. So in the describe block, keep all the tests in the describe block. So these things are grouped together, so it's manageable. So it's manageable and user friendly. So anyone, if your partner or anyone comes to the code, you can understand quite easily and clearly. So all tests are passed, on test shoots and 3 tests passed. So this is all about describe block. And every time I am talking about the priority queue, the priority queue. So this is very important. So to grab any component, DOM element, you have to follow the priority queue. So this is the first segment. In the first segment, you will get by role. Try your level best to use it, get by role. If you cannot do that, then second priority, get by level text. If this is not possible, get by placeholder text, and so on. Get by text, get by display value. And if it does not come handy, then you can go for semantic queries. Get all by alter text, get by alter text, get by title text. And if those segments does not suffice, then you can go by test ID. I'll show you at least one example of every query according to the priority. So no worries. So this is all about describe block. This is all about describe blocks and priority queue. So in the next tutorial, we will discuss about only another important thing, and that is setup and tear down. This is the Jest features. This is setup and tear down. So what is setup and tear down? You mean that we have some redundant code, and that is render app. So 3 times we are using it. This is redundant. So we need some features by which we can run on time and use it in everywhere where it is needed. So this is called setup and tear down. So in the next tutorial we will discuss about that setup and tear down. So no more today. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. It will be a wonderful journey, and the completion of this tutorial you will get a full portfolio app tested by Jest and React testing library. So stay tuned, stay connected. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.